Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I woke up about an hour ago. Alan has already left for work and I am just sitting here trying to figure out what I want to do today. I actually have to wait on the maintenance man today, which I've been waiting for since Thursday or Friday. He never came and I had to reschedule and wait till Monday. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm waiting for the maintenance man because my dishwasher's broke. Y'all know me, I am a dishwasher kind of girl. I do not like to hand wash dishes and I've been doing it all weekend and I literally hate it. So I am praying that the maintenance man is gonna show up today. I'm gonna show you what my dishwasher is looking like because it's literally disgusting and it's driving me nuts. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing like some cleaning today, even though my apartment's kind of already clean, but I'm gonna clean anyway because I like to keep it clean, okay? So just really quick, this is what my apartment's looking like. Boop. Not too bad, but I'm gonna be straightening up in here. This is some stuff that I need to put away, but I have it sitting there because we're gonna be redecorating and stuff in here, so look forward to that video. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my dishwasher. Y'all, it is so gross. No! It's like a horror film. Okay, you probably can't even tell, but look, it's filled up with water at the bottom and it's foggy and there's like weird stuff in there. There's a piece of lettuce and then like, I don't know, it's nasty and it needs to get fixed and they need to hurry up and come fix it before I have a nervous breakdown. I'm gonna have to hand wash these. Meh. This is my bedroom. This is my kitty, Kiki, and Cookie is hiding under the bed or something. I don't know where she's at, but yeah, I need to make my bed. I need to straighten up in here. So let's get to it. By the way, I finally put my curtains up, or Alan did anyway. That's actually supposed to be part of the decorating video, but it's here. I put my curtains up. Aren't they beautiful? Little white ruffle. So cute. But yeah, anyways. So I'm starting off this cleaning routine by making my bed. I'm just taking everything off the bed and I'm gonna make it. Some days I get a little lazy and I just kind of straighten things out without removing everything off the bed. So today I'm taking it all off and just making the bed fresh. I'm not gonna be putting my comforter on or any kind of decorative blanket because we're in the middle of redecorating and I'm not ready to put that out just yet. So I'm just putting the sheet back on and putting the blanket that we sleep with back on the bed. And I know we have a lot of pillows, even though we both only sleep with 2 of them. I love having lots of pillows on my bed for when we're just relaxing and playing on our phone, stuff like that before we go to sleep. I love having lots of pillows on the bed. And to be honest with you, I actually have 2 more pillows coming in the mail that I'm waiting on right now that I'm really excited about, which I'll share with you in another video. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding 2 more pillows to this bed. So now I'm gonna wipe off both of our nightstands. I'm just using a paper towel and my Clean Freak spray to do that. And I've been having to take everything off of the top of my nightstands because in the middle of the night, Cookie loves to get on both of our nightstands and knock everything down. So I've been keeping the top of mine empty and just putting those two little items on the little bottom shelf, because if not, she's gonna knock it down and wake me up. I guess it's like a little game she plays. She's crazy. She's the only one that does it. Kiki doesn't do it, but Cookie's just a little cuckoo. Anyways, over on Alan's nightstand though, I do keep the lamp up there because she can't really knock that down, but I have to take the picture frames down every night or she's gonna knock them over. She's already broke one of them, so I'm trying to preserve them so they both don't get ruined. So now I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm gonna wipe off my makeup desk. I really need to go through all of this stuff and declutter because I have an overabundance of things in the drawers and on top here that I don't really need and I don't use, but I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. But eventually I think I'm gonna have to because it looks a little overwhelming at times. But anyways, I'm just gonna wipe it off real quick and then put the things back on top of there. So I'm sure y'all noticed earlier whenever I showed you guys my bedroom before I started cleaning this new rug that I have on the floor. I really couldn't take that black and white one anymore because it just was a pain in the butt to vacuum, first of all. But second, it always looked rough because of the cats and the birds. Like the birds would get seed all over it, and where it was black, just everything would show up on it. The bird seed, the feathers, the cat hair, because my cats are white. So I got rid of it and replaced it with this one, which I'm really happy about because it's so easy to vacuum. It always looks nice and it just matches my room so much better than the other one. So now I'm going to start cleaning my kitchen. I'm using my Clean Freak spray in here as well. I'm just going to wipe off these countertops and I'm using this orange microfiber cloth that I got during Halloween because I wanted it to match like my Halloween decor and theme, but I need to get rid of it because it ain't working for me anymore. But I'm going to use it a few more times before I throw it away, and then I need to get some new rags up in here. So I'm going to be using my foam glass spray cleaner from Spray Away. I get this at Walmart. It's super affordable. It works so good on glass, mirrors, stainless steel. I mean, you can clean anything with it. It's kind of fun to use because of the foam, and then you get to wipe it away, but it works really good, and that little bottle there lasts a really long time. So as always, I highly recommend this product. So now I'm going to start vacuuming the floor, and I'm going to vacuum my kitchen and the little walkway here. Normally I would shake my kitchen rug and vacuum it, but today I really didn't feel like it. So I'm just going to vacuum it, and then I'm going to roll it up, get it out of the way, and continue vacuuming the kitchen, and then I'm going to be mopping it afterwards as well. So I actually vacuumed my entire apartment last night before we went to bed, but it literally doesn't matter how many times a day I vacuum this floor. It gets so messy, mainly because of the cats. I mean, there's little things that'll show up on there and I'll be like, what is this? I just vacuumed. But other than that, it's always cat hair. If they're just walking around, their little hair falls off, or if they're running or fighting, they're constantly shedding everywhere, and it drives me crazy. So our friend Lady Tater got us this Halloween hand soap from Bath & Body Works, but we're almost out of it and Halloween is over. So last night I got a new bottle of soap from Suave and I got it at Walmart. They have like a new line of hand soaps that smell really good and they're really cute. So yeah, we picked that up. And now I'm going to clean off my mirror with my foam spray cleaner. And then I'm going to wipe off my bathroom countertop with my Clean Freak spray. And I'm just using a paper towel to do all this. And that's the only thing that I'm going to be showing y'all of me cleaning in the bathroom. And you'll find out why in a couple minutes. Okay, so I just finished cleaning. It didn't take me that long because I didn't really have that much to clean. My place was already pretty clean. I actually cleaned a bunch last night before I went to bed because I didn't get a chance to clean in the daytime yesterday, so I wanted to get it over with last night just in case the maintenance man came early this morning. I like to have my place clean before anybody comes in. I don't care who you are, maintenance man included. I want my place clean before anyone walks in the door. Or I don't know, I don't like it. Anyways, so I cleaned last night and I just re-cleaned again. And I love it. It feels good, looks good, smells good. It has made me super happy this morning. So there was some things that I didn't do on camera. Like, I didn't show you a full cleaning in my bathroom because we redecorated our bathroom and I kind of filmed some of the things that we've done in here, so that's going to be like its own video, so I'm trying to leave it out of this one, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, but anyways, I'm done cleaning and I'm probably going to make myself some breakfast and wait for the maintenance man who still hasn't showed up yet, so that's always fun. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.